healing ministry of the Holland Free Health Clinic is very beneficial to the Holland community in that it helps people that are marginalized, people that don't get support from other traditional services, medical services and other services. And what I find very impactful about the clinic is that from a donor relation point of view, it pays high dividends in that a gift of $1 translates into more than $10 in services.
I was buying my prescriptions week by week, and then I was taking the dosages and spreading them out, and pretty soon I didn't feel very good. So I knew I had to come. And when I walked through the door, it was so easy. If I can make a difference today with just one person in this testimony, to come and get help, you would be surprised at all the clinic has done.
I did have a tooth problem that I didn't realize it was happening until it was right upon me, and at that point I had a lot of pain, and I'm a server, so I had to speak daily for my job, and at that point I didn't know what my options were. And the health clinic actually got me into the dentist within 3 days. I got a little medication to ease the pain while they looked over what needed to be done, and then within a week they pulled the tooth, and within 24 hours I didn't have any pain, which allowed me to continue my job and do what I needed to do in order to, I guess, make it through life. It's really cool, because at that point I didn't know what I was gonna do, and it was cool that the answer was there and it was easy. So
I love the message of Christ's love that comes throughout the services that they do here, and it's spoken, but it's also done in a very hands and feet of Christ manner.
The opportunity we have too is to remind the people where services are provided from. As they leave, I remind everyone that it's a community of Christ believers that have helped offer services for today, and encourage them to go out with the love of Jesus Christ and ask them to spread that love to everyone that they come in contact with as well.
People here truly don't really treat this as a job. It's like a calling for them, and I fit in really well here because that's how I feel. It's a joy serving the underserved in our community, and that's why I like working here.
One story I will never forget, and it's a story of a woman who we met early on in the process. She was living with a fixed income of around $1,200 a month. And between her rent, her utilities, her food, and her medication, her monthly costs were far in excess of $1,200 a month. So she was going without taking her medication, which of course made her health worse, and began a vicious circle of downward spiraling problems. She came to the clinic, and we were able to get all of her medication paid through our patient assistance program. And she came to us and she said these words. She said, "You saved my life." And to hear anybody say that is special. And I think we've been able to multiply that over and over again through the years. We deal with hundreds of clients now, all of which have a similar need. So it's a great thing.
The role that clinic serves in our community is a vital one, because it just has that special niche that captures those folks that don't have access to health care.
Holland Free Health Clinic is able to do big things on a small budget. On an operating budget of about $150,000 last year, we were able to produce over $1.5 million in services to the community. We're able to do this because of the many health providers that are willing to donate their time and services to help our clients.